This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to store Karivepaku in the fridge. First, carefully inspect your curry leaves and remove any damaged or yellowed ones. Next, gently wash the fresh leaves under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. It's crucial to ensure they are completely dry before proceeding, so pat them thoroughly with a clean towel. Achieving complete dryness is key for long-lasting Karivepaku. After washing, you can spread the leaves on a clean cloth or paper towel for a few hours to air dry. Alternatively, a salad spinner works wonders for quickly removing excess water. Remember, any lingering moisture will significantly reduce their shelf life in the refrigerator. Once your Karivepaku is perfectly dry, it's time for storage. Place the leaves in an airtight container or a sealed zip-top bag. For extra protection against moisture, add a dry paper towel inside the container. This simple step helps absorb any condensation, keeping your curry leaves fresh for up to 3 weeks in the crisper drawer. To maximize the freshness of your stored Karivepaku, check them every few days. If you notice any dampness on the paper towel, replace it immediately with a fresh, dry one. Properly stored, your curry leaves should remain vibrant and aromatic for 2 to 3 weeks, ready to enhance your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.